Hello, my friends. Alena from Intense Memories like to share with you that teeny mini album which I made from a paper collection have name Book of House, and it's from Lexi company. So let's see how I made that teeny mini album. Paper is so beautiful and show us house full of books or library. That album look a little bit like cascade, and I have tutorial how to make the album basic on my page. So that album I give like a gift to my friends, so already was writing something. So it's pocket here. We can add something here. Look at that, beautiful. Is some basic for photos. Here we have typewriter, coffee, cat. Here is again pocket. We can add something here. Teeny mini tag here. It's from collection, and here is possible to slide photo there. Here we can slide photo here or like that. Here is photo mat. Here is diagonal and basic for photos here. Photo mat here. So we can slide here, photo here. Design is so delicate, nice, vintage. And we can add something here. Then I just cut the paper and add. I do very delicate fussy cut everywhere. Here is acetate and possibility to slide photo like that. Here is pocket for tag for photos. I don't want to break that beautiful design, so it's photo mat here, and it's again slide, so we can add photo here, but it's frame. Okay, that album I made, I think last year. So it goes like that. Here we have, oh, look at that beautiful cat and this door, sign library. That, and here, and here is acetate, so we can slide also photo behind that acetate, like that. Beautiful stairs. It's really, really very nice design. So that is my teeny mini gift for my friends. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and see you on the next video. Bye bye guys.